Oh, dear students, today my topic is how to enter or and introduction to Microsoft Excel. Today my topic is how to enter and introduction to Microsoft Excel. Before going to this topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel King Classroom. YouTube channel URL is https://www.youtube.com/king_classroom. Please copy this URL and paste it on browser and type enter, then my channel will be appear. Please subscribe it, watch all videos and like the videos, share the videos to your friends and try to motivate to subscribe them. Now coming to the class, how to enter Microsoft Excel and introduction to Microsoft Excel. So first how to enter. Here search button is there in Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. Search button is there. Type the search button EXCEL, simply EXCEL. Excel app will be appear. Excel, if you want to try this in Microsoft 2007 Excel, also it will type, you will type Excel, and 2010 also Excel, 2013 also Excel, 2019 also Excel. Now my version is 2019, so try to understand. So many options is there, but everyone is common. I am typing in search button Excel. Now the blank page I am taking, the not here in Word we can call it as blank page, but in Microsoft Excel, blank workbook. The blank workbook, it is the combination of rows and columns. Now increase the size, zoom level. Now this is the cell A1, combination of columns. Here combination columns, so many columns is there, and rows. By default columns is by default 256 columns, and rows contains 65,536 rows. Okay, by default in 2007 Excel or 2003 Excel, the 256 columns, each sheet, worksheet, we called it as worksheet. In the workbook, so many sheets is there. First sheet, second sheet, like that. If you take another sheet, it will sheet number 2 here, sheet number 1, sheet number 2. If you take another plus point, plus, click on the plus, sheet number 3. So it look like a book, workbook. If you take a notebook, so many papers is there, but in the workbook there is a limit, 200 400 pages, but here there is no limit. Okay, now coming to the point, this is called it as B2 is the cell. Cell is a combination of column and row. First zoom this text. Select bunch of columns and rows and put the text up to 26 and put it bold. Here the cell value is, now when you click on the cell column this one, it will adjust the total column to the text. Okay, cell is the combination of columns and the row. This cell value is B3, here B3. Now this cell value is A4, A column, 4th row. If you take this cell value, C column, here it will appear here, C column, 6th row. Okay, address, this is called address. What is the cell address is C6. Now the cell address is B2, here B2. Directly if you want to type B12, the cursor move to B12, directly it's B12. Okay, understood? And by default each sheet by default each sheet in the form of in the form of table. Table is a table is collection of rows and columns. Okay, understood? By default, Excel is the collection of rows and columns in the form of tables. Each table has, each sheet has so many columns, so many rows. By default, there is no limit of sheets. So many sheets is there. So many you have. If you want to insert new sheet, click on plus. Okay. And if you want to change the font size, like Word, font color like Word, if you want to change the color, select the cell, and here each cell wise also we change the color. Each cell wise we can change the color. Okay. And now uses of uses of MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. It is mainly used in accounting purpose. Mainly uses in offices. Every office, schools, corporate offices, etc. So many places the Excel is used. Microsoft company software is Microsoft company. Microsoft Office. Excel is found in Microsoft Office. Contains mainly MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Publisher also is there, but mainly we are using MS Word for documentation purpose, MS Excel for accounting purpose, MS PowerPoint is for presentation purpose, MS Access is for database. Publisher is a publisher, like create pamphlets like that. Adobe PageMaker competitor is the publisher. Okay. So Excel is mainly used for accounting purpose and mainly uses in offices, schools, corporate offices, etc. And this is the introduction to the Excel. Excel contains rows and columns. The combination of row and column is called, column and row is called cell. Each cell has address. Cell address is column, column, row, that is B6, comma C4, comma A11, like that. Okay, understood? Introduction to how to enter the Excel and introduction to the Excel. This is the main topic to Excel. Okay, please watch, learn, like the video, share the video. Thank you, students.